Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to send money from Chime to Robinhood. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because that actually helps me out. So to start with the process on how you can simply send money to Robinhood, the first thing to do is to link your Chime to your Robinhood. So to get started with that, you have to open the Robinhood app on your mobile. Then tap on the icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap on, go to transfer. Then from there, click on link account. Then tap account and select debit card and enter your Chime debit card details, which is your routine number and your account number. Then from there, follow any verification steps to complete the linking process. Then once that is done, the next thing is to deposit money from the Chime to Robinhood. So the first thing to do is to, in the Robinhood app, tap on transfer, then choose deposit into spending. From there, select your Chime account as the source. Then from there, enter the amount you want to transfer and tap on submit, and that's it. Find the video helpful, turn the repetition button and subscribe for more.